Xero, you can connect your account through a secure bank feed so your transaction automatically flow into the system. To begin, go to the accounting menu in Xero and select bank accounts. Click on add bank account to proceed. Xero will recommend popular banks in your region or you can search for your bank manually. The next step will vary depending on which bank you use. In some cases, Xero will redirect you to your bank's website, allowing you to add your account and connect the feed in one step. You just need to log in and follow the instructions provided. For other banks, the process requires you to add your account in Xero first before applying for a bank feed. To do this, enter a unique account name, choose your account type, and provide your account number. Once you click continue, your bank account will be added to Xero. The next step is connecting a direct bank feed. Click on get bank feed and follow the instructions specific to your bank. Some banks will have you complete the application form online, while others may require you to download, fill out, and upload a form to Xero. The system will then check the image quality and verify the detail before you send the form to your bank. After submitting your application, the bank feed typically becomes available in Xero within 10 business days. Once the feed is active, you can also enter the opening balance for each account to ensure your records are accurate. If you need guidance, you can search for opening balances in the help menu. By completing these steps, your bank account will be securely connected to Xero and your daily transactions will automatically appear, keeping your financial data up to date.